Yo, hey, what's going on everybody? Alex with you here again as usual. I'm going to steal a couple of minutes of your time today to talk about the fact that Dr. Michael Tam, aka Adventures of a Chess Noob, has published another book. This one's called How to Become a Chess Assassin. Learn to play the best chess opening attacks. It's a book that I've recently purchased on Amazon, and I'll shoot you guys a link below. If you guys remember, not that long ago I reviewed his previous book, The 50+2 Quick Chess Wins. I really loved the first book for the fact that it just had such an approachable and easy read with colorful pages and really thorough explanations, as you guys can see over here. A lot of the content that he had in this previous book was also covered on his YouTube channel, and I'll leave you guys a link to his YouTube channel down below. If you're not familiar with his channel, he does have a very easy, friendly way of describing some really cool, interesting games that either he has played or found somewhere else. And I really like the way that he takes his time to analyze the games and dissect them in a way that makes it very easy to understand. I thoroughly enjoyed his first book, so when I discovered that he had a new book on sale, I went ahead and I purchased the hardcover option. Now you do have the option to purchase a softcover and a hardcover. He kind of guides you along and talks to you about why, for example, this particular move may change the opening, why this particular variation may be a trap, and there's a lot of historical background on each individual opening. The Vienna Gambit, for example, being Dr. Michael Tam's favorite opening, he goes in depth talking about the historical significance of it and how it came about, and then really takes quite a lot of time kind of dissecting these openings and really kind of getting you to see why, for example, this particular variation may be significantly different as far as the outcome from the other one. So if you like to read chess books, definitely check this book out. It's definitely going to be worth your read. I think Dr. Michael Tam, just like many of the other YouTubers, is doing a fantastic job in keeping the chess spirit alive on the social media and really putting in the time to bring us so much wonderful content. So definitely be sure to check out his book. I'll leave you guys a link below. Also check out his previous book. I'll leave you guys a link to that one. If you're kind of like me, a lot of times you end up being stuck in one particular opening, and that's the opening you always choose. For me, that would probably be the Scotch opening. Books like this really help you kind of get out of your comfort zone and try out something new, and before you know it, you might end up adapting a whole new opening repertoire, and you'll be excited to give your games a fresh new turn and really explore, you know, the multi-dimensional aspect of chess. Michael Tam, thanks for publishing this. I look forward to trying out some more of these openings here when I have the time. Thank you everybody for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.